What's up everyone, and in today's video I'm gonna be doing my eyes in a different palette which I reviewed. Yes, so today we're gonna be using the Eyeshadow Shine number 2 versus the number 1 because I've hit the pan. I almost I've almost used all. Now I've done my skincare, like I've done, bath, and I did my skincare with my sunscreen, plus, my serums. Like, now into this video, I primed my lids already. I'm sorry, I'm not into brows today. I just don't feel the brows. Now in today's video, we're gonna be doing simple. So here it is, guys. So if you wanna know my thoughts about this palette, you can actually check my video. I reviewed this palette, the Ashley Shine number 2. No, I'm gonna get a brush. Sorry, but my brush is not that. Now, and today we're gonna be getting the blusher number 2. Yes, the peachy one, like that, and we're gonna be doing it as a transition shade. Now, of course, in a transition shade, you should start at the outer corners of your lids. Then after that, you need to blend it into the inner corners in order to set that primer, Not the primer, it's a crime according to Nika tutorials. So, just prime, then put a transition shade, guys. Okay? Since our transition is already there, so let's dip it up, okay? So we're gonna be getting the blusher number 2, and I'm gonna be focusing that in the outer corners to give a little bit dimension to the eyes. The pixels. To give a little dimension to the eyes. So you see that little dimension in there? It makes you aesthetic. Especially if you're just focusing it to the outer corners, then you would rise it up. Bring it to the outer corner of your eyes. Then what's left in the brush, bring it over to the inner corners. Then get a clean brush, then blend it over to avoid that patchiness and to remove excess products. Okay? So I'm gonna be doing the other side of my. So after you focus to the outer lower corners, you need to bring that up to the upper outer corner so that you can actually see the transition. And what's left in the brush again, drag it into the inner corners. And that's it, guys. That is our shadow for today. All natural, flawless. Yes, and I'm gonna be doing my brows after this shit. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned something today. It's just part of makeup. Like the simple. But if you want me to do more dramatic or more intense makeup look, then comment down below, or you just you can actually comment down below or thumbs up. Like just make a hint in order for me to make that kind of dramatic eyes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye, ladies.